561
561
66 57. We've done 4 minutes prank calling.
Message. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Yeah, hey Ryan. Yeah, this is Joe Mama, and I wanted to know if you would help me out with something here. I have a small penis, and you have a small penis, and I think we have a lot in common. And I was wondering if you would be gay with me. Because I can't get with any other guy because they all have big penises, and they don't like my small penis, and I need a bigger penis, so maybe we could put our penis together and probably come up with a bigger penis. And if I can't do that, then I'm pretty much fucked in this love life, and I don't really know what to do anymore, and I might just kill myself. So, if you're interested in putting our penises together, then give me a call back, because I really want to put my penis with your penis. Thank you very much. Okay, stop it. Turn it off. Turn it off, you fucking psycho bitch. Turn it off!